Hi, friends. Today, for recap, you are going to listen to a book by Mem Fox called Whoever You Are. And we are talking about diversity and accepting people for being the same and being different. We talked about that last week. And remember that we may look different on the outside, but we are the same on the inside. And in the book, it will talk about things that we do that are the same and things that we do that are different. People live in different parts of the world, but we all smile, right? Do you smile when you want to be friendly and kind to someone? Yes, we give a smile. Can you smile now? Yes, we give a smile. When we're sad, what is something that we do when we're sad? I know that sometimes when I'm sad, I might cry or I might just sit by myself quietly. Um, I might draw a picture or write and say why I'm sad. So that's something that we do. Everybody typically cries when they're sad. Um, when we're excited, we might jump up and down or clap our hands. Some people, when they're excited, they just might smile or keep it to themselves. They may not show their excitement in a way that you may show it. So that's a way that we can be different. Just like with Miss Charles, I don't always cry when I'm sad, but you may always cry when you're sad. That may be a different way that we express that we're sad, right? So, um, we always want to remember that no matter what, we want to be kind to others. You always want to be kind, and that's just being nice. And so today, after you read the story, I want you to take the kindness pledge, okay? The kindness pledge is, I'm going to read it to you. So here I have it right here, okay? And so you can, after you listen to the story, you can come back to my video and do the kindness pledge. Okay, here it is. The kindness pledge. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. So when you take your pledge, you hold up your right hand and you say the words, just like we do the Pledge of Allegiance at school and the Reedy Creek Pledge. You will do the kindness pledge. And we've actually said this together before while we have been at school. And you guys pretty much do a great job of being kind to others. So I want you to remember, like, especially if you have your brother or sister there with you, or if you have your cousins visiting, or even to being kind to your parents. You always want to remember to be kind to people, okay? Um, don't tell your parents no or argue with them if they're asking you to do something. You need to be kind to them and say yes and listen to what they are asking you to do, okay? And I'm going to say the kindness pledge one more time, okay? The pledge of kindness. I pledge to myself, and I'm going to say it too, on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. All right, friends, I hope that you enjoyed the story, whoever you are, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.